Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at AI Website Builder. Now, this is going to be a bit different than a lot of the software products that we normally look at in that this is real software. And I will explain what I mean by that in just a second. Just before we get started, this is an honest review video. My goal with these videos is to give you guys as much of an inside look or additional information as I can on a product, to go through the sales page, look for red flags, look for useful bits, make sure you understand what you are and are not getting, and ultimately to help you decide whether or not this is a product that's good for you to invest in to help you establish your online income. So there will be a link in the description that will take you to the sales page for this product. If you purchase the product through my link, then I will receive a commission. I super like commissions. I appreciate it. If you appreciate my videos, it is by far the best way you can encourage me to continue doing these things. But again, my goal is to give you an honest opinion of the product. So if I think it's a bad product, even though I've got a link, I will tell you don't buy it. I will often give guarded reviews, or, again, I love giving good reviews because that means we found something that I think I can recommend to you guys to help you start getting ahead and establishing that online income. That's the goal. So, again, this is AI Website Builder. This is not... The first thing I like about this is that it is not simply an online software as a service that has been built by somebody 5 years ago and rebranded 72 times because people just keep buying the resale rights. This is legit new software. It has been created by the vendor. We're going to see some of that down below. It's actual software, so it's not going to be online. You will need a computer to do this. We'll see that down below as well. And you do get the resale rights. So rather than having to purchase those additionally, those will be made available to you. So this is going to be ideal for somebody who is who's looking for multiple websites. A lot of you are going to be looking for one good website, or you've got one website that you're trying to build onto or add content to. Probably this isn't going to be for you. However, if you are a PLR vendor, or you're somebody who's creating websites as a service for other people, this could potentially be very good for you. Now, one of the things I don't like about this, about the sales page in particular, is that it's not going to actually show us a demo of the product. We just passed, we'll scroll back up real quick. We've got a promo video here, and we're going to see the same promo video down below a little bit. No demo video. And you guys know, if you've watched many of my videos, that I love demo videos. Don't tell me how amazing it is. Show me what it can do, and show me how it works. Okay, so we're getting a little bit here. All right, so you're going to get a bunch of built-in niches. It's going to say, create a niche website with just 3 clicks. I'm never convinced by this. Again, this is something, we see 3 steps all the time. If you can do it in 3 clicks, give me a 45-second video that shows me how you've created a website in 3 clicks. And I'm not saying that that's impossible, because it is claiming to be, well, it is called AI Website Builder, so potentially this is true, but I would love to see it. That would be, for me, the single best thing that would sell me on this product. That said, I do like the sound of it. I do overall like the idea of it. I do like that we are given some, we've got step 2, enter your ClickBank affiliate ID so you can monetize your content, select a niche. All right. So it is giving us a little bit of actual information here, even if it's not quite what I like. This is the same video as the one above. So even though it says see the software in action, this, 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Let's go back up to where we saw the last one. We get 2 minutes and 42 seconds. I skimmed through this one quick. I did not see what I was looking to see. Okay, so we're going to go down. Again, we've at least got some screenshots here. And this is realistically, if you're creating something like this is pretty simple. But if you're looking to sell a product, or you're looking to, like I said, create a PLR website or something like that, I promote PLR a lot to you guys because I think PLR is a spectacular way to make money online. And so this comes with 20 niches that are built in. You get built-in content, built-in rewriter. The rewriter has 700 plus articles across 20 categories. And again, this may not be for you. And the thing is, what we're going to see down below, you can create your own content. So you can write your own articles. If you're buying PLR bundles, which I think is I think the two biggest potential uses for this product are, one, that you can create websites for other people. Because again, if you're doing websites just for yourself, most of you, if you're starting out, you want one good website. Okay, and there are good ways to get that at affordable prices. If you are looking to create websites, because, like I said, with PLR, if you're buying stuff, if you're buying PLR content with the intent of monetizing it, having different websites that are going to basically push all of your different PLR bundles, all your different ebooks or whatever, drive traffic in. If you've got something like that, I think this is awesome. Or if you have a lot of different, you might use this if you're promoting a number of different products from ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or whatever. You might want to make a different website for each one of those products. So Module 1 is the software with resale rights. Module 2 is the user manual. Module 3 is the editable user manual. 4 is the reseller website. 5 is the editable sales page graphics. Okay. What's included? Software for Windows. Okay, notice this because this is going to be important. Again, this is not online software as a service. This is Windows software that's going to show you, that's going to do this for you. We'll look at the frequently asked questions down below, but this is not available for Mac. So if you're a Mac lover, if you've got your MacBook Pro or whatever you're using, no, this will not work with Mac. It is specifically for Windows. You get the resale rights. Okay, so you can sell these items, you can use these items, you can add these items, you can flip websites containing these items. You can't transfer the resale rights to other people. Okay, and then we've got, we do have a note here. This is on the resale rights for this, or sorry, selling this product. So you can't sell it for less than $9. The reseller website, user manual, has a PDF and an editable DOC, sales page graphics in PSD and PNG. You get some bonuses. You get the extra app, Content Magic for Windows. Okay, and this is telling us about Content Magic. All right, and so here we go. I want to look at this briefly. Are you the software developer? This is from Diego Duarte. Are you the software developer? Yes. Okay, the software has been developed by the vendor or by the vendor's team. Can I add my own articles or affiliate offers? Yes, you can. So again, you're not stuck with automatically created content. If you're buying a PLR bundle, usually you're going to get content, sales content, email swipes, etc. that come included in that. So you can take that content and you can just dump it straight in. What are the PC requirements? It requires a computer with Windows. Any modern version of Windows 7 and higher is fine. So you get the impression that this is not super resource heavy. Windows 7, if you are watching this on the internet, you almost certainly have Windows 7 or higher. I suppose it is possible to do with an older version, but that seems unreasonable to me, or unlikely. Do you have a money-back guarantee only for technical reasons? 15 days. So again, it's not, oh, I bought this and it's not what I thought it was. It is telling you pretty clearly what it is. Again, I'd like to see a demo, but the reality is that between the screenshots and the descriptions, I think it's pretty solid to say why. You're not guessing what the software is supposed to be doing or anything like that. So if it doesn't work, now that said, if you buy it and it doesn't line up with the expectations you have from the sales page, I would contact Warrior Plus, because I think that they would likely go to bat with you because they have a reputation to protect as well. And again, they've got a statement of income here that they don't guarantee that you're going to get rich or make any money whatsoever. That's pretty standard stuff. There are a number of one-time offers, upsells, etc. that come with this, and I do want to take a second to look at those. So we're just going to jump over to the listing on Warrior Plus. So we've got the front end here. Did we have a price over here? I feel like we did someplace, but we looked past it. La da 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 da. This is not a massive sales page, but it is big enough. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so $14.51. Okay, so here's the front end price. Then we've got a pro version, again with resale rights. There's an MRR version. There's a white label. There's actually, looks like there's 2 white labels. Usually the second one is going to be a downsell, but I think actually in this case, I think the 9 and 10 look like they are. I'm not sure. I'm going to be honest. Between the JV page did not have any information on these, so there's only so much I can tell you about this stuff without having actually looked at the product itself. So again, if the front end looks interesting to you and you decide to purchase it, all of these are going to show up for you. And as usual, I suspect that even though they're listed as one-time offers, most of the time they're going to be available to you in some format or another afterwards. So if you pick up the front end and you decide later on that you want the white label AIWB10 here, the vendor is not going to say, nope, sorry, but your $42 isn't any good here. They'll make it available to you. Of course they will. Okay, and it goes up. We've got 4 extra apps with RR over here. Yeah, so there's a number of one-time offers here. And again, unfortunately, I can't tell you much about it. I wish that I could. You guys know, if you've watched my other videos, that I really, really, really like being able to bring you as much as I can. Unfortunately, in this case, I can't bring you much more than is in the sales page. Now, obviously, like I said already, websites and having multiple websites, you're not going to want it or need it for every niche. If you're running a Shopify store, or you've got a blog that you're selling print-on-demand products from, then you might be doing very well with those without going and creating a whole pile of additional websites. On the other hand, if you're doing PLR, if you're doing low content publishing, if you are doing all kinds of different things, including just affiliate sales, where maybe you want a different website for each one of the products coming up, then quite possibly this could be an excellent idea for you. We do have the advantage. This has been out for a couple of days. So I can tell you that there are some units that have sold already, and there is a 0% refund rate so far. It is early; it's only a couple of days, but it is usually encouraging to see that of the initial bunch of people who've purchased the product, none of them have returned it. I can't get a specific rating on the product on Warrior Plus where this is available or being hosted, but I can tell you that the vendor has a better than 4-star rating, which is usually something that I like to see. So overall, it is a bit of a stretch for me to be able to say this authoritatively, but I have a good feeling about the product. I would not, I'll be honest, I would not hesitate to buy this myself if I were starting out. I think the front end price is spectacular. There are lots of ways to build websites. The problem with websites is that typically they require a decent amount of work, which is why people charge a lot of money to design and build them. So having something that will build a website for you in just a few clicks sounds good and realistically is good. And again, this is not online. This is not some flimsy online hosted software. You are actually getting the software. So expect a download and I don't think you're going to need many tech skills. I think if you're able to figure out the download portion and the install portion, you're probably going to be able to do everything else as well. I didn't see anything about training built into this. Maybe I missed that. I would expect there to be some training available, but again, that may be an assumption. Okay, so anyway, that is AI Website Builder. It's either going to appeal to you or not. Either you're either going to like the idea of being able to create websites quickly and easily, or it's not going to make any difference to you. So if you're in the former group, I encourage you, links in the description, go check this out. Let us know what your experiences are. Hopefully they're good. It's rare that I'm wrong on these things, but I can make mistakes, but I have a good feeling about this product. I think it's going to be super useful to those of you who are looking to create multiple websites and to do it quickly. If you can do in even 5 minutes what normally would take you a couple of hours to do, that frees up a huge amount of time for you to be involved in other projects. So check out AI Website Builder. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here again soon.